Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, January the 11th, January the 12th, 2025. It's today Sunday, and on Sunday we have here the additional. We have 7 extra puzzles in this additional. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku with 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, and Japanese Guru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku, and the Samurai Sudoku will take me more than an hour to solve, and the goal is to solve that puzzle within an hour. So there's a lot of puzzles for a day. So let me start with this one, the 3 stars Sudoku. Number 9887. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Well, publisher. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. The question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have 7 and a 6 in this row, so no 7 and 6 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Can I do this the same for this big square? 6, no. 4, 2, no. 8, and no. How about the 6 in the last column? 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the middle row. Sorry, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. 2, okay. Then, let me see. How about... need a 2 there. Come on. How about the 8s? Need an 8 here or there. Well, 8 here. Yeah. Need 4 here. 4 here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left and 4 in this big square. Shoot me there. 4. Yeah. I need a 7 there. 4, 6, 8. Need a 9 here, and I need a Come on. 9. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 7 here. Oh, 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7. Yeah. Need a 1 here or there. In the last column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in the last column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. Need a 5. Need a 2. In the last column, we need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row. So, no 2 there. So the 2 in the last column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left of 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left of 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Can I count? Yes. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then let me see. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place level 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first column, third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. How about 7 and 5? Yeah. 9 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the second row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, the only place left 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row. For the number, I believe the 9. Yeah, 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay, 9 in the 2 missing numbers in the first column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 and 5, we have 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 5 goes there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Okay, and now 5 and 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5 and 8. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. Only place level 4 is should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place level 4 is should be there. Can I count? And all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. Okay, and now 5 and 8, 5 and 8. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 5, we have a 7 on the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so third column. The only place left for 8 should be there. The final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 13 minutes. We solve it again. Told you, should be a 0 stars. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.